Dali-dali. Tingin po sa harapan.
Hello. Go deep, hello. Go deep. Yan. Dito. Ayan. Diyan mo lagay. Ayan. Ganyan mo. Sombrero ka. Hawakan niyo.
Feeling good every day and every night. Life is a journey full of spices, gotta savor every slice. I have surprises on the corner. I can't predict, I can't pretend. Just have to make them yours. Enter directly, open the door. Dancing like no one is watching, love and laughter. There's no
Okay. Alright. So first, next item, Ronald McDonald's class, bring me a lipstick or a lip tint. Lipstick or a lip tint. We have one. Alright, okay.
Let's go.
Going to start our lots of surprises for you. Okay, so once again, everyone, so watch the girls dance look at our kids night here at our East Ortigas Mansion. May I request all the kids, we can leave your sleepers here at this side and make organize your sleeper. And then later on, we are going to have a lot of surprises for you. But please, all the kids, do not sleep. We have lots of fun games for you guys. Do not sleep. Alright, later on, guys, we are going to have lots of fun games for you. And all the kids, they actually enjoy the movie while we are waiting for some other guests to arrive. And also, we have our free Alright, everyone, so once you first of all, everybody is welcome to our guest night here on East Ortigas Mansion, or EOM. Later on, guys, we are going to have lots of surprises for you. We have fun gifts for you. We have also, guys, our magic show. And also we have the Bubble Show. We have an opportunity to go inside with a big follower.
Go back.
Mr. Valley is meeting Okay, everyone who gets an adult, so they request everybody, so please, guys, we have to enjoy our movies here in our kids' time, and also we have our kids here on this side.
Daddy,
We're
how
going to
are you?
have our,
Where, Daddy?
How old are you now? How old are you? Oh, you want to say something?
Child.
Child. Say.
Child.
Say. Child.
Child. Bangladesh.
How old are you now? How old are you?
Hey.
High five. Very good.
Bye bye. See you later.
Okay. All the kids are not allowed to now before we're going to start our celebration right here, right now. For boys and girls, I want to each and every one of you and everybody's welcome to our kids' night at East Ortigas Mansion. My name is Mr. Bobby, and I will be your host for today. So now, who wants to lead the prayer? Anyone? Sir, who wants to lead the prayer? Anyone? Okay. So may I request everybody please stand up and let's get going first on our opening prayer to be led by Margie. Okay? Stand up everyone. Stand up everyone for the opening prayer. Everyone. Okay? Mama Yurin? Go there. Okay. Small kids in front, big kids at the back. Small kids in front. Small kids in front. There you go. Okay, now, everybody guys, look at the camera. Okay? Mama Irene, the camera's ready. Here we go. Look at the camera, guys. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Guys, please stand closer, guys. Please stand closer, closer. Please stand closer. Please stand closer. Closer, please. Closer. Closer, please. Here we go. Come on. Alright. Done. Already. Thank you very much. All the kids, sit down now. Sit down, everybody. Okay. All the kids. If you are a winner, I will give you a chance to choose one prize. If you are okay, now everybody come.
Hehehehe